ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮಿಗೆಲ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ತಿಮಳಾರಿ ಅವಂಗೆಲ್ಲ पिडिके अवंगेने खाणं जेवण सगळं होळकार तनी कोरकार हळलसाना एक प्रयत्न केले तवडी तुम सगळ्यांके पावोंका म्हणने मिगेले विनंती व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Tendule Thalasini. The traditional Thalasini made from ivy gourd Tendule is a favorite of all. Thalasini basically refers to any stir fry flavored by fried garlic cloves. The speciality of ivy gourd Thalasini is that it is not cut but is crushed and used. You can find the KKAJ blog post link by my friend Priya Ashanai in the description below. So here are some fresh homegrown tendules. I have washed them well. Now to trim their edges. Next step is to crush them using a stone or using a mortar and pestle. Drop 2 or 3 and crush them to flatten them. But take care not to break them. You can also use a metal lemon squeezer like this to crush them. This I found is much neater and easily done. Heat oil, preferably coconut oil, and splatter mustard seeds. Then add broken red chilies according to your spice level. Then add garlic cloves as much as you want. When they turn brown, add the tendules. Add salt to taste and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add a little water. Cover and cook on medium flame. When the tendules have cooked, lower flame and let roast. Switch off when they have turned to a nice fried texture. Enjoy your thalasini with rice and dalitoy.
More details refer to our website kkaj.in.